Okay guys, I thought that I would share with you what I plan to wear this week coming up. So this is the bag I'm going to use. I'm going to figure out some way to tie this bow on here, and I'm going to use these accessories. So we got pencil case that's going to go in here. I already have my bank here and that. So we're going to put these in here. Safety tool on there. I guess it's going in the back pocket here. Oh, let me take this out. Alright, and then I have just some extra cards and stuff that can go in this little thing here. Super cute. I do have the purse that goes with these, but I can use it in other stuff. And then I have this. I'm making this my makeup pouch. Alright, and then this is some other cards. Loyalty cards, gift cards, all that mess. And then I have, alright, I have this one. I like this one because it does have an ID window. You can use change, or you can put some extra cards in there. Then we got my health information, and that I really like this little wallet here, card case here. Really like it. All right, so we got all of those. We got readers, and we'll probably stick these in here. We got earbuds. They'll probably go in there too. Medicine, lotion, have to have that. ID, work ID. And then this is just a lip gloss that wouldn't fit in a little pouch. I like it. I don't need plumper lips, but I do like it. Sorry, I crack myself up sometimes. All right, so that's it. So that's gonna be that, and I'm gonna figure out how I want to put this little scarf on. But I think she is going to be super, super cute. That is what she's gonna look like. I'm looking forward to carrying it because I really like a large Rowan. It's really, really helpful to me. So that's it. So thanks for stopping by. Y'all can tell me what you think, and I will talk to y'all later. I have another tag. I don't know if I'm gonna put it on here though. It's black, personalized tag. Anyway, all right. Talk to y'all later. Bye.